In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Cash App to Apple Pay without card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't have a cash card or other sorts of cards to make this transfer, you can still withdraw your money from Cash App and deposit it within Apple Pay. However, to do this, you will need to use sort of a middleman. You need to transfer your money from Cash App into a bank and then transfer from the bank into Apple Wallet and consequently Apple Pay. So to start, go over to Cash App and access your profile page. So you can tap on your icon here at the top right corner of the screen and over to linked banks. You will need to link a bank account or a card. So choose one of these options and link them. The bare minimum is that you have a bank account linked. If you cannot link a bank account, then sadly you will not be able to withdraw your money from Cash App and consequently deposit it within Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. Now, all that you have to do is go over to your cash balance, find how much you have, and then tap on withdraw. In this screenshot, of course, it has 0, but you would have your money here. Once you tap on withdraw, you will see all of the options. So you have a standard transfer, which usually takes a couple of days, but has 0 fees attached, or you have an instant transfer, which has a fee, but of course is instant. So it's up to you. So choose how you would like to transfer your money to your bank. After this duration goes through and you receive the money on the bank, you can go over to Apple Wallet, choose Apple Cash, and then select the option to add money. When you choose add money, specify the value, proceed, and you can choose the source of this transfer or this deposit. And then you can select to add money using your bank account. So use the bank account to withdraw the money from Cash App and then to deposit the money into Apple Pay. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.